So let's consider this question. You are given n minus 1 integers, alright? And these integers are in the range from 1 to n. There are no duplicates in the list and one of the integers actually missing. Find it. This is our question, okay? So let's consider the sample input. They have given us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 6, 7, 8. There are no duplicates in the list. And what is the integer that's missing? 5. You are given n minus 1 integers. Alright, so the length is 7. Okay, so you are given n minus 1 integers, and these integers are in the range from 1 to 8. Okay, so there are no duplicates in the list. One of the integers is missing. So what is our missing integer here? It is 5. So this is our question basically. Alright, so how can we solve it? There are various ways of solving it, but this chapter is bit multiplication, so solving it in terms of bits. Alright, so answer is, you have key hint is you have to use the XOR operation in order to solve this question. So how am I supposed to use XOR operation? What do you know about this XOR? If there are two elements, two same elements added using XOR, what will you get? You will get 0. Alright, so let's have this now. A1 XOR A2 XOR A3 XOR A4, let it be. Alright, and let there be another instance. A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. This be B. Alright, so same numbers, okay? So now A XOR B, what would that be? I'm telling you that is A5. If you ask me how to solve it now, what is the value of A? A is going to be A1 XOR A2 XOR A3 XOR A4. Okay. XOR with B. Entire B is what? A1 XOR A2 XOR A3 XOR A4 XOR A5. What do we know? A XOR A is 0. So this gets cancelled. This gets cancelled. This again gets cancelled. So what am I left out with? A5. Hence the answer. So this is a concept we will be using to solve this question. So rather than this now, let's consider this. 1 XOR 2 XOR 3 XOR 4. Alright, so this is what I actually want. But for a length of, suppose they have given me 4 numbers. Alright, so I can have what? 1, 2, 3 and 4. But in my list, I have only 1, 3 and 4. So what should be my output? My output shall be 2, right? So what I am going to do is that I will generate this list. I am going to generate this list of B automatically, explicitly I am going to generate this list. And then I am going to find the XOR of this array and put it in the value of A. Alright, so A will hold 1 XOR 3 XOR 4. And the B that I give out explicitly will hold 1 XOR 2 XOR 3 and 4. So when I XOR A and B, what will I get? I will get a missing value of 2. Alright, I suppose you understood so far. So right now, right? What should it return? It should return an integer value. So I return like this int. Okay, int solution. So what will I be given? I will be given this array as input along with the size of the array. Okay, fine. So first of all, what did I get? I told you guys that I have to explicitly find this out. So when n is given, right? So right now, what will be the value of n? N will be 4, no, n will be the length of it, n will be 3. The array's length will only be given. Alright, so array's length is 3. But we have to find all these 4. So they have given, you are given n minus 1 integers. And these integers are in the range of 1 to n. They will give you the value of n minus 1. You can only, they give you the array only. You find the length of the array, and the length of the array is going to be what? N minus 1. But what do you want in order to calculate this? You need n. Fine. So this given to me. Alright, so this value of n is going to hold the length of the array. So the length of the array is nothing but what? Some n minus 1 value. So initially what I do is that let me run a loop until n plus 1 so that I can generate the value of b. Okay, int b is equal to 0, comma a is equal to 0. So b XOR is equal to I. Okay, so this will generate the entire this XOR command. And secondly, what I do is that I am going to traverse the array that is given to me in this function. So for instance, I0, I is less than n, I plus this. Alright. So A XOR is equal to array of I. Okay. So what do you get here? You get, according to this instant, you will get 1 XOR, 2 XOR 4, XOR 6, XOR 3, 7, 8. But rather here, what will I get? N is going to be 7 here, so 7 plus 1 will be 8. So I will start from 1. Okay, sorry. I should start from 1. So it will be 1 XOR 2, 3, again 4 until 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay. So the answer shall be A XOR B. So if I do A XOR, this gets cancelled, this gets cancelled, 3, 4, 5 will remain, 6, 7 and 8. So the answer of 5 will remain. Okay, so I'll have to return this. So this is how you are supposed to approach a particular question. Look at the question, think of all the basic operations that you have already gone through, and then just try to mathematically just put it into picture. So if you put this picture mathematically, right, you can automatically write a program out of it. Alright, so let's look at another